In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add numbers to your Google document. Basically, you want to add numbers to the pages of your document. So I'm on the Google Documents file, right? And it says Ultimate Guide to AI Productivity. As you can see, this document is not numbered, right? So I want to basically just add a number to this page. So the first thing I want to do is to just, click anywhere in the document, then come to Insert, and I'll click on Insert, then I'll come to Page Elements, then I'll navigate to under Page Element, I'll navigate to Page Numbers. I can pick whatever style that I want, but I'm just going to pick the one at the bottom right. So I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see, the number has been added. Then I'll click to exit. To exit this mode, I can click anywhere in the document and it would go. And you see that we have number 1 here, which suggests this page as page 1. If I go to page 2, let's say I click enter, and this is page 2, it will appear as number 2 as well. As you can see, if I continue to go down, this is if I continue to go down to to turn to page 3, and so on and so forth, right? So this is how you can add number to your Google document. If you find this very helpful, ensure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.